Hi friends, with just a one pencil, HB pencil, and regular photocopy paper, we are going to draw a lion. First, we make such a shape like this, where our drawing of the lion goes. Now the face. First, we draw a rhombus like this. You see? Okay, at the upper part of the rhombus, just like this, is where we draw a circle, and this circle will be the ear. Now we surround the circle and continue drawing the first lines that suggest the hair of our lion. Now we continue. Okay, one curve down, another curve in the other direction like this. Now the back of our lion. As you know, this quick sketch must be drawn with very light lines, because this first sketch is going to be our guide for the final drawing. It is necessary and not a loss of time to draw this first drawing to achieve proportions and where our drawing must go, etc. And you'll see when you draw like this with a first quick sketch, you'll see how your drawings will improve very quickly. But my advice is draw always, when you draw a quick sketch like this, first before the actual drawing. When you draw that like this, please don't press too hard your pencil on the paper. So, as many of these lines will be erased, if you press too hard your pencil, you make marks on your paper. And if you draw lighter and without pressing, you may erase these lines without problem. Okay, now we do have the other back leg with these forms. If you see, this video goes on real speed, but the part when I erase. But if you need, this tutorial goes slower, many people need, and it is not a problem, you may pause the video. You may slow it in the options of the player of YouTube. Okay, there are options, and you may slow down the speed of the video to see it. Okay, the chin, the nose, very big nose. Okay, now we are refining this sketch, refining where the eye, where details must go. I will return it when we make all parts of the drawing. Okay, let's refine these lines. This drawing really, in fact, is like make a sculpture. If a sculptor take one piece of clay, it goes taking off parts, little parts of the clay until he achieve the form that he wants to achieve. In a drawing, is the same. You make a rough form and you go refining it step by step until you achieve the drawing that you really need or you really desire to make. Okay, the other leg here. Okay. Now we can see our lion. Yeah, now we only need to make details and shadows, and you will see that this process is very, very easy. Okay. Remember, the tail of the lion or the other animals is not like a leg, but is like other part of the back, of the spine of the animal. So you must continue the line of the tail as the back were longer. Okay? Now, we'll erase. You need or a regular eraser or kneaded eraser, like this. Okay, this is a putty eraser. It's sticky, and it takes graphite from the paper without smear, and it will be your best friend if you continue drawing. Okay, it is called putty eraser or kneaded eraser. Okay. Now we have a clean draft, a clean quick sketch, and now we are going to make details and shadows. Remember to sharp your pencil as many times as you need, and to get darker lines and darker shadows with just one pencil, in this case HB, you need to to appoint your pencil many times, because the point makes darker tones and it is better to achieve more drama and shadows in your drawing. Okay, little shadows in the nose, this part. Okay, and we will make a very big mouth, because lions are hunters and they eat very big pieces of animals. Okay, we will continue drawing in this way, step by step. Remember, if you wish that some part of your drawing pops up from your drawing, leave this part of the drawing in white or lighter tones and put some darker tones around it, like in the ear of our lion. I draw very dark around the ear, so the ear appears three-dimensional. With the hairs is the same thing. I make the borders of the hair darker, so it gains volume, three-dimensionality. You see? Like this. And the ear pops. It's easy. Don't worry. But remember that to learn to draw, really learn to draw, the best way is to take a pencil, a paper, and put yourself to draw everything that you see. Everything. It's the same if you draw wrong or make mistakes. It is the same. But you will never learn to draw only seeing. You need to draw too. Change directions of your shadows of the traces of your pencil to make your drawing more interesting. Okay. Now refine this part. Okay. It's easy to refine this part. Now that we are drawing and we see what we are doing, I'll remember you, if you haven't done so, subscribe to receive and activate the bell to receive notifications each time I upload a new video. And smash the thumbs up if you like it. Okay? And if you have suggestions of tutorials, drawing and painting tutorials that you wish I do, please put in the comment lines. Okay? Okay, let's refine the belly. Okay, giving it, you see, with shadows, our lion is going three-dimensional in a flat paper, because we play with lights and shadows, with dark and grays and blacks and the white of the paper. We play with all these things to achieve reality and volume in our drawings. One important thing is to remember put shadows and lights, or dark tones and light tones, at the same size, at the same if you put all the shadows in the right side and downside, and light tones in the left side, you give your drawing realism. If you put shadows everywhere and without order, your drawing will not look good. Now, a little more here. And we are just with the last details of this very easy drawing. Yes, it is easy. And remember, this is just paper. Put yourself to draw every day a little at least, so you will get the results that you wish. Nobody is born learning to draw. You must draw before to learn, okay? Now, this is a artistic blurring stamp. It is just paper in a row, very tight row. You may use a paper towel too, but never use your naked fingers, because fingers have oils in your skin, and these oils stain your drawings, okay? So use paper, maybe in this form, artistic blurring stamp, or with paper, but never with your naked fingers, okay? Okay, a little more here with Blurr. This is just to solve some shadows, but when we made this, what happens? That we lost many details. We get more better result, but so after the blurring with the artistic stamp, we need to draw some details over it to give interest and not make a boring drawing. Okay, now we are just finishing. I hope you like it, and see you next week in the new drawing or painting tutorial. Be happy, draw a lot, and see you soon. Bye!